Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 11 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and now search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your recent files you've opened, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and apps. Next you can check your collections and internal storage. Then you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files, and clean function to clean junk files from the smartphone. If you go to menu, you've got access to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.